CJ, can you say good morning? Do you like plants? Do you sniff them? Do you eat them? Good morning, YouTube. If you're new here, I'm Nicole and I love plants and photography, and I am definitely not home. I am visiting my mom and my stepdad in Arizona with their crazy dogs and crazy cat. I cannot get out of the sun, which isn't a bad thing, but anyway, I'm visiting this week and I have tons of stuff planned, and today we are planning on just a little boring trip out to breakfast, lunch-ish, and then to Home Depot because we need to repot some of her cactus that are just overgrowing out of these containers like crazy. My best friend for life is back home and she wanted me to pluck her up a cactus to bring back. Nikki, I got you. My sister-in-law also wants one, so I'm gonna venture out and see if I can find her one. Yeah, I do travel with plants. So, TSA doesn't say anything about it, so I'm gonna do it. But anyway, we're just going to Home Depot for some pots, really. Although I have a feeling I'm going to enjoy their plant selection because Arizona Home Depot, I'm sure, is quite different from Chicago Home Depot, and I'm a little excited about it. And then when we get back, we're gonna do some repotting, and that should be interesting because I left my cactus gloves back home. Say hi.
Hi. Waiting to get seated.
Today's free pie day. Num num num.
Today. Bring to get y'all started.
Okay, going to Home Depot. Ooh, that guy's cool. Look at this. He won't fit on the plane though. Shopping!
Off to buy some pots.
Pots and plants, maybe. All right, we are leaving Home Depot. I got a little baby something. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna pot it up. Actually, I'm not gonna pot mine up, but we'll do a plant haul when we get back to the house. I'm in the clouds. Look at these clouds, guys. Whoa. All right. right, so this is one of them. This is the one that I'm taking back home, so we're not gonna pot it up. What is this? Apuntia Rafida Minima Montrose. All right, that's what that is. All right, so we picked up some Miracle Grow garden soil, cactus, palm, and citrus. Perfect for succulents. We got these awesome Terra Cotta pots. They have a design on them. They're so pretty. And this says they're handmade in Mexico. Love it. The succulents are gonna go in here. And then she got these two little babies. Hi, Mai. My mom's eating pie. She's taking forever. Mom, you almost done?
Oh, yeah, please. I didn't get your piece, but they were gobbling.
We're
so
supposed
much
to
I
be
had them up
repotting,
there.
Mom. Can we go? Are you ready?
I think I am. Let me go get my water. I'll meet you around.
Oops. All right, heading out to the garage. Okay. Ooh. Says a true Chicagoan. It's cold.
Freezing. I don't want to plant today. It's too cold.
We gotta set it up.
Gloves here that is just rubber gloves. But I got those for that blue.
It's
Not
crooked.
for you. No.
Look at that.
I hope it doesn't fall.
Now. All right,
I got these.
we're gonna mix the soil.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, Ma, don't move that.
Oh, you gotta put it here.
Mom.
Just when we gotta put them together.
All right, so we're just mixing the soil over here. We're doing half of the Miracle Grow stuff I showed you earlier, and then half of this stuff. What is
Mulch.
it called?
It's mulch.
It's mulch. The landscaper gave it to them for their palm trees. There's DJ. Okay, so we're gonna take 3 of these. I know it's kind of far, but we're gonna take 3 of the cactus out of here. Actually, we're gonna take all of them out except for the ones in the middle. And just kind of spread them out and repot them in different pots. And then we're gonna put the lavender in this pot. So hopefully you can hear me and see us. And get started.
Okay.
Not sure what this does. More citrus.
All of them.
All right, this is the lavender plant. So she's just gonna squeeze those roots. Oh, I gotta put dirt in here. Hold on. Look at these roots. See that? Look how root bound that is. Whoa.
Isn't that bad on them?
Yeah, let's look. All right, we got this planted up here. She's been planting way longer than me. So she's schooling me on all this.
Those do have holes in the bottom, right?
Yeah, but where are you going with that?
Over here.
All right, now it's time for the cacti. These things are scary. Someone at the garden center told us to use barbecue tongs to get them out. So that's what we're gonna try. I don't know, Ma, these are in there.
I know they are. That's what I said. It's gonna be a challenge.
It's gonna be a doozy.
Oh God. Look at that.
Look at that.
Enough.
Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna repot these up in these planters here. And we're gonna take these out
DJ, stay away.
and then these over here.
Work with these gloves.
Cute.
Good.
One on that side. Oh yeah, they're on
Here,
the
here we go. They should be together, shouldn't they?
Careful. Bring it over to the pot. They're super cute.
They got them. Put in there. I think I lost 3 plants already.
Here, Grandma, just fill this up.
Here. Go like this. Two little baby cactus.
That's all for the day, guys. Close up. Number 1. Numero dos. Number 3. It's heavy. Number 4. Nikki, I'm bringing you home one of these, okay? My glasses are falling. This is yours, Nick. I'm gonna bring that back. And number 5 is down there. I'm not picking that up. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you guys happen to know any of the names of the plants that we saw today that I might not have known, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I think we're gonna go to a local nursery one day this week too and do a little plant shopping. So stay tuned for that. Bye guys.